Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is September the 7th, 2022, and we're going to take a look at our flaming torch bromeliads. It's been kind of a late bloom for them this year, but if you can take a look at what I'm seeing, it's the sea of hot pink. Beautiful, beautiful flaming torch bromeliads. They are giving off their flowers. This camera's zoom capability is incredible. Man, look at this. So beautiful. Now, I've caught the bloom in its infancy, so what we're going to witness over the next couple of days are these blooms opening up fully. They really do give a spectacular show. A lot of folks like to drive by this property when these are in full bloom and drive slowly because they're so beautiful. Now, this is the flaming torch bromeliad. These are unique in the sense that to grow them, you just need to start with one. You kind of lay it sideways in the soil a little bit, and it will throw off a bunch of new bromeliad shoots. That's how you propagate them. You pull the pups off, the new shoots, and then you grow them until they flower. And after they flower, lay them down like you did the first one, the mother, and it will clone. It will just keep cloning, and you can definitely propagate your flaming torch bromeliads very quickly in that way. And the setting here, location is in the understory of the oaks. These guys will turn yellow and struggle, and some even brown, if you try to put them in the full sun. They do not like the sunlight. So the best way to keep them a lush, beautiful green like this is to keep them in a dappled sunlight location. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I will keep you updated on the progress of this flaming torch bromeliad patch. Have a great day.